Welcome back, my loves. Today I'm going to be doing an eyeliner tutorial. That is why I look like a ghost right now, with a nice bold red lip and absolutely nothing on my eyes. I'm actually not going to put anything on my eyes, so that way I can show you how I apply eyeliner. Bear with me, there are moments where it comes out perfect and moments where I'm thinking, what the heck happened? So one thing we need to remember is that eyeliner, they are not twins, they're sisters. So there's times where they're sisters that resemble each other, and then there's times where you're like, this is definitely from another mother father type of deal. But I'm going to be doing that, and then I'm going to be doing a second look. So if you see this outfit again, and this bold, beautiful lip color, this is the ColourPop Besame from the Becky G collaboration. It's because I'm going to be doing an eye look with Mr. James Charles. Where is he? He's right there. See him? Laying right there, just chilling, just waiting for me. So I'm going to do something in the lines of this color, so stay tuned for that. I'm not sure which video is going to go up first, but just keep an eye out, okay? So I'm going to zoom you in, and I'm going to start this tutorial, and cross fingers, toes, legs, everything, pray that it comes out good. Because like I said, don't care how professional you are, you have days where it's off. And this is my second attempt already. The first one was not good. It was not good. So let's hope this one is. Alright, here we go. Woo! We are up close and personal. You can see all the nitty gritty. I'm going to be going in with the Man Eater from Tarte liner. So here we go, guys.
What you do to get at me? Will you say you have your way? Would you give up or try again if I hesitate to let you in? Be yourself or play a role to all the boys to keep it low. If it's a no, would you turn away or play me off? Or would you stay? Because you don't succeed, cause you start off and try again. You can start off and try again, try again. Cause if first you don't succeed, you can start off and try again. Cause you start off and try again, try again. I'm into you, you're into me, you let it go so easily. Until I see what this could be eternity or just a week. Chemistry is out of chain, it's perfect now, will it change? Saying yes, saying no, just do your thing, we'll see how it goes. If first you don't succeed, this is how far and try again. You can start off and try again, try again. If first you don't succeed, you can start off and try again. This is how far and try again, try again. Be bragging on the first date, what about the next date? Cause if first you don't succeed, you can start off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again, try again. Cause if first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. You can start off and try again, try again. It's been a long time, should've left you with that upbeat to step two, step two, step two, step two.
Okay, first rule is don't keep trying to correct and perfect, because you will screw up. I almost started to think about doing that, and then I was like, no, slow your roll. Don't do it. So try not to do that. That's one way I do it. There's moments where I do it a little different way, but in reality, it's small strokes that help for your eyeliner to not come out so bad. And obviously each of our eyes are not perfect. You know, we're a little slanted, so obviously one side is not going to be identical to the other. But as long as it's pretty close, leave it. Another thing you can do is use concealer. I applied my makeup, so that's why I didn't use it. But you can use concealer. First, clean it up with a wipey, and then use concealer, and it could sharpen it. You can make the wind even longer. I was going to attempt it, but that's one of the little things that went in my head and went, ding, don't do that. You're going to make a disaster, and it's going to be take 3 on this video. So this is how I apply my liner. I hope you guys like it. I can do bolder. You just add a little bit more to the top, but this is usually the 1940s, 1930s. It's so cute with the pretty little dresses. I love it. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it. I hope that helped you a little bit. If you have any questions, just pop them below. Don't forget to hit the like. Why am I? What? Like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way you know when I pop up next. Okay? Okay. You all take care and you have a great one.